What's going on? What's going on in crypto land? Welcome to another video. Crypto Jay-Z here, bringing you the latest news and what's going on with Forgotten Chain right now. They just dropped an update and I decided I wanted to do a quick video to let you guys know what's been happening over the last few days. The sale is actually still on. You can still go in and grab yourself some NFTs and preparing for this game. So what did they actually say? Well, really what they did was they dropped an official teaser to the game and we can watch that together. They did an Ember Boost. If you're in the Discord, you can make use of that. And the Wheel of Fortune tickets, I don't know if you guys have seen that, but they now have this wheel that you can spin and win villages and stuff like that. I think they announced that somewhere up here. Yes. So Wheel of Fortune prizes, village, battleland, characters, chest, eggs, and extra ticket. And of course everyone's trying to get that village. I think they said 17 people already won a village, which is $2,500. At least that's what it's worth in the pre-sale. So what else? So they did that, and then in this they dropped a mini trailer kind of thing where they were riding around on a tree-tailed beast. Is one of the mounts of the game, and they just added that to the shop. So I'll show that to you. There's only 1,000 of these things, so I think this is going to be a very good buy. I'm going to pick myself up 2 or 3 of these. We're going to look what that cost, and 17 land winners, pretty nice. And let's just have a quick look at the trailer that they got here. So I have it here. Let's see. That's a tree-tailed beast right there. Now, if you're not hyped, if you're not hyped after watching that video, then just stop watching the video right now. Don't even drop me a like. Just go. Just go. This is gonna be crazy. Oh man, I'm so excited. I'm so excited right now. I'm not even kidding. So that's the teaser. So you know the team's been working. You know what's been going on. Game is actually getting developed. They have really good community going on here. Over 12,000 people in this community here, and it's fire and daily. It's fun. If you're not in the Discord, make sure to join. I'll drop a link in the description below, so you can go check that out. And if you haven't seen my other videos, I'll put a card up top, I think top right corner, so that you can see some of my other videos I've been doing on tracking this sale. So let me go ahead and do this, and I'm already connected here with MetaMask. So public sale, founder sale, my items, and spinning wheel. So this is the wheel, and how much ever NFTs you buy, you get that amount of tickets. So I bought 10 stuff, I think. So I got 10 tickets, and I spun those, and I won an extra mining chest. So there should actually be something else here. Oh, it's actually right here. I don't remember where I got an extra one. Either way, I got 1 extra mining chest, and that was pretty cool. That's $40. This $40 worth right there, completely free. And you can spin the wheel if you have tickets. I don't have any. I might buy one and we'll spin it just to show you how this works. So the founders sale, so we have some new tabs, and they added the option for you to easily buy more than one, even though I don't think you can buy more than one as a founder. Actually, it's now open to everyone, so you can buy as much as you want. Alright, so chests, secret items, we already know about these. So they added the ticket, so you can now buy the actual ticket and just go ahead and spin the wheel, instead of having to wait until you purchase an item to get the ticket for free. And then they got this beast, which is the mount that was in that video. Right, this is really cool. I wonder if it has like special features and stuff like that, but it looks really cool, and this is $77. So I'm definitely gonna grab one of that. For right now, let's do one ticket, and we'll see if we're lucky and we might win something, hopefully. Alright, 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 alright. Let's wait for confirmation. This is you being confirmed. Transaction confirmed. I paid that amount of BNB, which is like $3 or something, right? So got my ticket. Alright, let's go back to spinning wheel. So now you see I have one ticket. So let's see if we can win something. I don't know. It would be cool if I won something for the video. Maybe not though. The odds are pretty, you know, better luck next time. So nothing. But I mean, win this village here and you're in the money, because that's gonna be worth, I don't know, a whole lot. I would say in the future, probably 100 grand. Who knows? Landing games are pretty crazy. You never know what's gonna happen. Of course, none of this is financial advice. So, of course, make sure you only spend money you're willing to lose. And that's really what I wanted to bring to you guys, to show you this update. And this game, the token sale is going to be on the 23rd and the 25th. 23rd for founders and 25th for the public. I think this one's going to do pretty well. 10x is going to be easy, really, for the quality game that we're looking at here. But this is all speculation, of course. Thank you for watching the video. Please make sure to comment and subscribe. Let me know your thoughts on the game below in the descriptions, in the comment area. And I'll be making another one soon.